Hello everyone, I am Mr. Study and today I will give you some basic knowledge about the English grammar. I am especially thankful to DPH for giving me this platform. Now, sometimes someone got some questions that what is English grammar, why it is so important, why we are using it in our day-to-day life, how will the English grammar get benefit to you, is it hard or easy to learn. Now, first question, what is English grammar? We will split these two words, English and grammar. First of all, we will see what is English. English is a language and the grammar is the way in which we arrange the sentences. If we put both the words together, then the English grammar is the way in which we arrange the sentences in English language. The second question, why it is so important? The reason behind the importance of English grammar is without the grammar in the sentence won't be arranged properly or uniformly in English language. Why we are using it in our day-to-day life? The only reason for using the grammar in our day-to-day life is that without the grammar, no one can speak, write, or understand the English properly. English language becomes incomplete without the English grammar. Not only in English language, but in other languages also. They become incomplete, the language become incomplete without their grammar. So we are using it in our day-to-day life and it is very much important. How will English grammar gets benefit to you? The English grammar is not just beneficial for making a sentence or making some comedy videos in English language or something else. This will helpful you for reading and writing skills. It will also helpful for improving your languages, English languages especially. It will helpful for you to understand the other speeches and also helpful to let other understand your speech, what you speak. Is it hard or easy to learn? Definitely it is easy to learn. The only reason is that the rule of the grammar will never change. If I have to pin out any boy and I have to represent, I will represent as he. If you go any place, you will represent a boy as he, not she, not it, not they, not that. Yeah, it's hard or easy to learn, it's up to you. If you will try to learn it by heart and if you willing to learn, then it will be easy to learn. But if you don't try, if you are learning from someone else forcefully, like your parents, your teachers, then it will be hard to learn. Thank you so much for your presence. If you have any doubt related English grammar what I have explained, or if I have missed any questions, then please put comment below. I will give you answer, and in our next session I will going to give you the list which I will cover in the English grammar, and we will start the course from the next session onwards. Please, if you like this video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. I will again thankful to DPH for giving me the stage. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Be peace, be safe, stay home.